Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel on Tubecast. Today, we'll be discussing the top 5 best text editors when it comes to writing code or creating content. Choosing the right text editor can make a huge difference. There are many text editors available, each with its own unique features and capabilities. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 text editors that can help you write your code, create content, and boost your productivity. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free and open source text editor developed by Microsoft. It has a wide range of features, including debugging, syntax highlighting, code completion, and support for multiple languages. It also has a large library of extensions that can be installed to add even more functionality to the editor. Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a popular text editor that is widely used by developers. It has a simple and intuitive interface, and it supports many programming languages. Sublime Text is known for its speed and responsiveness, and it has a wide range of features that make it a great choice for writing code. Atom. Atom is a text editor developed by GitHub, and it is free and open source. It has a modular design, and you can customize it with plugins and themes. Atom is known for its flexibility and ease of use, and it has a wide range of features that make it a great choice for writing code and creating content. Brackets. Brackets is a free and open source text editor that is designed specifically for web development. It has a live preview feature that allows you to see changes in real time. Brackets is known for its simplicity and ease of use, and it has a wide range of features that make it a great choice for web developers. Notepad. Notepad is a free and open source text editor that is widely used by developers. It has a simple interface, and it supports multiple languages and syntax highlighting. Notepad is known for its speed and responsiveness, and it has a wide range of features that make it a great choice for writing code. Conclusion. Choosing the right text editor is an important decision for developers and content creators. Whether you're writing code or creating content, having the right tools can make a huge difference in your productivity and efficiency. We hope that this video has helped you choose the right text editor for your needs. Please like, share and subscribe our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching our videos.